So I wanted to know, your projects majorly have distinct design. How does the planning of structure, layout, designing takes places at Notandas Realty?
So I think the heart of every project is the architect of that project. I would say developer, but we can't take all the credit. So I think that's where the heart of the project is. We've been lucky to align with great minds. We have Seema Puri, we have Ahmed Hanukar, Talati Pantaki. They've all been designing buildings for us. They themselves put in a lot of passion into the building. I think the other side of it also comes from the developer based on what brief they give the architect, because they can only output what input they get. So when we start, we do a deep understanding of what the client wants in a particular project for that particular location. It's not that one size fits all again. So in one particular project, how can we bring in the neighborhood, what is lacking in that particular market or the next competing building or the next door building, what clients are looking for. That's where we start. Then of course aesthetics, a concept comes out, architect pulls out a concept, we make a lot of changes. In India, you have to be vastu compliant, you need to do multiple things to make it uh, launch ready or client friendly, if you might say. So it's a eventual process. I mean, unlike the larger players, we keep looking at our plans every day, we keep looking at the building designs every day. So even when the building is maybe, if we're doing a 20-story building and it's 8 floors up, we still make changes. I think many of the boutique developers have the liberty to do it like us. I think once you're larger, then with the whole kind of SOP and going through multiple layers, if the GFC is made, it's made. If a project is 3 years and in 1 year we get a better idea while it's under construction, we still make that change. So we still try to tweak it wherever we can. I think that's a major difference between uh, amazing project and a very good project.
And this also helps you when it comes to any customer who is coming to buy a property. So do you guys genuinely explain them कि मेरे different building क्यों है design wise and all, या generally club house है, gym है, इस तरीके पे आपके projects sell हो जाते
So
हैं?
I believe based on the projects we've delivered, the company has got quite a bit of goodwill and reputation from clients in terms of what we are going to build. Earlier, yeah, for the first few buildings, they would think that okay, they're showing this. Are they going to make it or not? Does it make sense or not? Why are they charging me a 5 to 7 to 10,000 rupee premium or a 20% higher compared to other people in the market? But I think once you cross all those barriers and you consistently keep delivering something above market or something that people haven't seen, then your brand reputation kind of gets aligned with that thought process.
See, in